Okay, let's continue with the MCQ for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 7, applying volume and capacity in real life cost estimation. Number 1. A bakery needs zero point 0.5 liters of flour to make 1 loaf of bread. How many liters of flour are needed to make 80 loaves? Letter A, 20, B, 30, C, 40, D, 50. MCQ number 2. A cylindrical water tank has a diameter of 5 meters, has a diameter of 4 meters and a height of 6 meters. If water costs 25 pesos per cubic meter, what is the total cost of filling the tank? Letter A, 1,800 pesos. Letter B, 1,884 pesos. Letter C, 2,000 pesos. Letter D, 2,500 pesos. MCQ number 3. A painter needs 1 liter of paint to cover 8 meters square. How many liters of paint are required to cover a wall with an area of 96 meters squared? Letter A, 10. Letter B, 11. Letter C, 12. Letter D, 15. MCQ number 4. A bread recipe requires 2.5 kilograms of flour for 10 loaves. How much flour is needed for 60 loaves? Letter A, 12 kilograms. B, 13 kilograms. C, 14 kilograms. D, 15 kilograms. MCQ number 5. A swimming pool measures 12 meters long, 8 meters wide, and 2 meters deep. If water costs 30 pesos per cubic meter, how much will it cost to fill the pool? A, 5,500 pesos. B, 5,600 pesos. C, 5,700 pesos. D, 5,760 pesos. MCQ number 6. A juice factory produces 1,000 bottles of juice daily, each containing 0.75 liters. Liter. How many liters of juice are produced in one day? Letter A, 800. B, 850. C, 900. D, 950. MCQ number 7. A cylindrical paint can has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 20 meters. If the cost of paint is 0.50 peso per cubic centimeter, what is the cost of the paint in 1 can? Letter A, 1,520. Letter B, 1,540. Letter C, 1,540.5. Letter D, 1,600, all in pesos. MCQ number 8. A cube-shaped container has an edge length of 1.5 meters. If it is filled with oil, costing 45 pesos per cubic meter, how much is the total cost? A. 145, B. 150 pesos, letter C. 152 pesos, letter D. 155 pesos. MCQ number 9. A wall measures 4 meters long and 12 meters long. If 1 liter of paint covers 6 meters squared, how many liters of paint are needed? Letter A, 6. Letter B, 7. Letter C, 8. Letter D, 9. MCQ number 10. A bakery requires 0.8 liter of milk to make 12 cupcakes. How much milk is needed for 120 cupcakes? Letter A, 6. B, 7. C, 8. D, 9. MCQ number 11. A cylindrical silo has a radius of 3 meters and a height of 10 meters. If grain costs 10 pesos per cubic meter, what is the total cost to fill the silo? Letter A, 2,800 pesos. Letter B, 2,820 pesos. Letter C, 2,850 pesos. Letter D, 2,900 pesos. Practice problem number 12. MCQ number 12. A recipe uses 4.5 kilograms of flour to make 30 rolls. How much flour is needed to make 90 rolls? A, 12. B, 13. C, 13.5. D, 15. MCQ number 13. A cylindrical container with radius of 5 meters and height of 10 meters is filled with water. How many liters of water does it contain? A, 785,000. Letter B, 790,000. Letter C, 800,000. D, 810,000. MCQ number 14. A bakery sells bread in boxes. Each box contains 25 loaves, and each loaf requires 0.4 kilogram of flour. How much flour is required for 12 boxes? A, 120. B, 121. C, 122. D, 123. MCQ number 15. A building requires painting of 5 walls, each with an area of 20 meters squared. If 1 liter of paint covers 5 meters squared, how many liters of paint are needed? Letter A, 15. Letter B, 18. Letter C, 20. Letter D, 22. MCQ number 16. A cylindrical glass has a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. If 1 liter of juice costs 60 pesos, how much does it cost to fill 10 glasses? Letter A, 350 pesos. Letter B, 360 pesos. Letter C, 370 pesos. Letter D, 380 pesos. MCQ number 17. A bread factory uses 1.2 tons of flour to make 4,000 loaves of bread. How many loaves can be made from 3 tons of flour? Letter A, 9,800. B, 9,900. C, 10,000. D, 10,100. MCQ number 18. A wall measures 5 meters high and 15 meters long. If 1 gallon of paint covers 30 meters squared, how many gallons are needed? A, 2, B, 2.5, C, 4, D, 5. MCQ number 19. A baker uses 250 ml of oil for 10 cakes. How much oil is needed for 80 cakes? Letter A, 1.2 liters. Letter B, 1.9 liters. Letter D, 2.0 liters. D, 2.1 liters. MCQ number 20. A spherical water tank has a diameter of 6 meters. If water costs 20 pesos per cubic meter, what is the total cost to fill the tank? A, 1,100 pesos. B, 1,120 pesos. Letter C, 1,130 pesos. Letter D, 2,260 and 80 centavos. The answer key for our quarter 3 lesson Roman numeral number 7, applying volume and capacity in real life cost estimation. The answers for numbers 1 to 10. Number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter B. Number 3, letter C. Number 4, letter D. Number 5, letter D. Number 6, letter C. Number 7, letter B. Number 8, letter C. Number 9, letter C. Number 10, letter C. For numbers 11 to 20. Number 11, B. Number 12, C. Number 13, A. Number 14, A. Number 15, C. Number 16, B. Number 17, C. Number 18, B. Number 19, C. Number 20, D. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.